Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely perfect way to stay organized and be efficient when it comes to travel and packing that suitcase. So these were sent over by a company called EPICKA, and I absolutely love them. I have several of their other versions, and they are packing cubes. So this is the TripCozy. It's gonna come in two different sizes. You get a 4 count or a 6 count. I have the 6 count right here. And then you can get them in multiple color options. I have the black one, and then I have the beige color. I like to have multiple colors because my wife can use one color and I can use the other color. It just helps us get a little bit more organized, but if you want them all the same, you got options to pick from. So why do I like these? These make packing super efficient and a lot easier because instead of just putting your clothes into the little cubes, which helps you get organized. For example, the small one here, you can fill up with underwear or socks. The larger one, you can do like swimwear. Then you have like the very, very large size. This can be used for your jeans, sweaters, things like that. Medium size for shirts. All that allows you to get organized so you know exactly where all your clothes is. So it's easy to put away when you're in a hotel room, in the various drawers, or unpack. However, these are more efficient when it comes to packing because of the compression aspect. You'll notice there is two nice metal zippers on here. One is solid black. That's just what's gonna open up the pouch. The other one with the white lettering, that is the compression part. So when it is compressed, it can get down to about 2 3/4 of an inch. When it's uncompressed, it's around 5 inches in thickness. So you're almost cutting it in half as far as your compression. All in all it's doing is it's squeezing that air out of there. So that way you can stack these, or you can just get more room in your suitcase and have more space to utilize for other things, which is super, super nice. Now, why I like this, the TripCozy ones, is they also now have a nice mesh front here. The mesh is gonna allow the fabric to breathe so it doesn't get stale or anything like that on a long flight or journey. And also allows like moisture to come through, so if you do have any damp clothes, they'll be able to continue to dry. And then naturally, because it is mesh, you can also see through and see what it is at a quick glance and know which packing cube you want to grab. As far as other material, it's just got a nice little kind of vinyl material here. It's water resistant, it's very easy to clean up, and very easy to utilize. So big features I like about all of these. Now, these are designed to fit in your standard suitcase size from 20 inches to 24 inches. The 6 set, you can stack them and position them like a little Tetris puzzle and fill up that suitcase, which is really, really nice. So standard suitcases, you're gonna be able to use all these and maximize your space. So let's cover the sizes of these. So first off, you're gonna have the smaller one here. This is about 7 inches by 4 1/4 by 4 3/4. Great for underwear and socks. All of them are gonna have these little handles, so it makes it easy to pull them out and grab, and then naturally all of them are gonna have the super strong zippers. I will say on the zippers, I've had no issues with them breaking, no issues with them coming undone or anything like that. So then your secondary size, which also is perfect for socks or ties, this is gonna be 9 3/4 by 4 1/4 by 4 3/4 inches in size. Then you're gonna jump up to a little bit bigger here, great for t-shirts. This one is 10 1/4 by 8 1/4 by 4 3/4 in size. Then the next size up is gonna jump to 13 inches by 7 inches by 4 3/4. And then you're gonna go to your main workhorses. These are what's gonna hold a bulk of your clothes, your t-shirts, your jeans, your shorts, your sweaters. So this one is 13 inches by 8¼ by 4¾ If you notice, they're all 3/4 on the one side, and that's the efficiency aspect of it. And then finally, you're gonna have the large one here, which is 16 3/4 by 12¼ by 4¾ As you can also see, when it comes to storage and not utilizing them, as you can see with the black one here, everything folds into that kind of medium size. So it's very easy to pack away, slide on a closet shelf, slide in a drawer, put under the bed. So you don't have all these stacking up, because just like the cubes themselves, they can compress themselves into a nice small compartment. But overall, they make travel super, super easy. I absolutely love the design. Very, very easy to utilize. If you are wanting to get more efficient when it comes to packing and travel, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.